Okay, my light just turned green. This is going to be another busy intersection. Let's see how we get on. Oh, a little bit nervous there, but it figured it out, got there in the end. Okay, it's going to have to start making its way over into this right-hand lane. Okay, now it's signalling. Is this other car going to let me in? It did. Okay. I don't think it was too happy, but it stopped and let me in. It's times like this that I'm sitting with my foot just hovering over the brake. Again, just a little bit nervous about how it's going to manage in super busy conditions like this. Signal. Go. Okay, it's just totally confused. Not even going to attempt at getting up onto the freeway here. Having to cross several lanes of traffic to get on the road that I need. There's no way I was going to let the car attempt that. Just to wrap up, I'll probably not, upload the rest of this drive here, but again, just a mixed set of results. Like that first intersection, it actually handled the cars sitting in the intersection and kind of the slowness of the traffic. Actually handled that pretty well. And then the second intersection, I think where there's been some work that's changed the road layout, it just couldn't figure it out, and luckily there was nothing around me, so it was okay. It just braked suddenly, then started again, then couldn't figure out what lane it needed to be in to take the left-hand turn up onto the freeway. So how it's going to deal with, it can't rely on maps all of the time because maps are outdated, and it needs to be able to react dynamically, kind of on the fly, to changing situations. Think, temporary road closures or construction, or new lane layout or new road layout. I can see, I've heard people say before that it's like 80% of the way there, and maybe it is, but that remaining 20% is a huge hurdle or barrier or scope of work to achieve true, complete, like level 5 autonomy. Anyway, I'll probably wrap it up here. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.